to use Adobe Acrobat to edit your chore charts. So what you have to do is on the PDF that is provided for you, there is a link to Adobe Acrobat. You need only a free account. They will try to have you do a free trial for the paid. You don't need that. Just do the free account. So you sign up for a free account and it'll take you to this page. And then what you do is you are going to simply select a file. So I am going to go to my chore charts. And I'm going to grab the rainbow one just because I like that one. So here I am with my chore chart. Now, all I need to do is come on over here and I'm going to hit the text. Now I can, pick the text I want. If I want to make it a certain size, I'll show you how to move it around. But I'm going to simply just put a text in there. So let's see, how about make your bed. And I'm going to come over here. I'm going to, we'll make this bigger, but I'm going to actually move it over kind of in the middle. Make it bigger. And then I'm going to come on over here. I'm going to grab another text box. And let's say making your bed, we're going to make $2 every day. Go back over to my arrow. And then I'm going to move my amount around a little bit here. And then you can either go ahead and type in a little check mark or an X, or have your child check off what they did, or you can put earned, the amount earned, that if they did kind of an okay job but not totally the way they should have done, they get $1 instead of $2. However you want to keep track. But all you do is you just use the sidebar over here and then type in your chore that you want them to do and the amount that they would earn. And then when you're done, you just go up to download. It'll download it as a PDF for you. You print it off and you use it. It's really easy, really quick. And again, you can type in all your chores, put the amount in, and then if your child earned it or not.